My name is Stephanie B. Escobar, and I am a grade 6 pupil, and I am proud to be an Anamarian. And I will deliver my story to you, and I hope you will like my story. The lost dog. Then I searched anywhere to find our dog, but I didn't find him. A few minutes, I heard a dog barking, and I rushed over to see what was that. And I saw our dog barking for her because he is injured. Then I get our dog and rushed over to our house to get bandaged. My mom said, "Son, where did you find our dog?" "Mom, I saw our dog in the backyard barking for help. So I quickly rushed him here. I was worried for him, Mom." "It's okay, son. He is fine." A few days later, our dog was now better, and I was happy for him. And soon after, me and my dog play in the snow. After, even me, if I was cold, I play for him, so happy. We should not leave our dog outside because it will leave the house, or maybe it will lose. We should be more responsible to our pet animals. Thank you for listening.
And we call the fourth